Okay, so we're diving straight in today.
Yeah.
We're going to be looking at some Toronto open houses
This weekend.
this weekend.
Yeah, March 15th and 16th.
2025.
Oh, right.
2025, that's right.
And these have been curated.
These are hand-picked listings.
Handpicked by Brad Cox.
Brad Cox, that's right.
From the Heaps Estrin team.
Yep.
So I think this is going to be really helpful
Absolutely.
to kind of just get a quick glance.
A quick snapshot
Yeah.
of what's out there.
And I mean, you know, he's not just like...
He's got a really good eye.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's known for his expertise. So it's not just like a random selection.
Sure, exactly.
It's like things that he thinks are worth looking at.
Yeah,
You know?
definitely. And I mean, he's
Really up
known for
him.
Yeah, creating that bespoke real estate experience.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, yeah, let's just jump into it.
Let's do it.
So basically, we're going to go through these 9 properties,
Oh, yeah.
and we're going to give you the address and the price. Number of bedrooms.
Number of bedrooms, days on market, and then like one little interesting
One standout attribute.
yeah.
Yeah.
For each one. So it'll be quick, it'll be efficient.
Yeah, a rapid fire guide
Yeah.
to some potential weekend viewing.
You could get viewings, exactly.
Right.
And also keep in mind, I mean, this is just kind of a glimpse,
Yeah, just a snapshot.
a snapshot, because Brad also has a lot of...
Exclusive and
Yes.
off-market listings.
Yes. So if this doesn't...
This isn't everything he has.
Exactly, but it's a good starting
It's a
point.
good starting point.
Okay, all right. First up, we have 20 Rowley Avenue
Okay.
in Mount Pleasant East.
Mount Pleasant East.
This is an attached 2-story townhouse
2-story.
listed at $1,049,000.
No. Okay.
It has 2 bedrooms, and it's been on the market for 24 days.
24 days.
All right. So what's something that stands out with this one?
Well, you know what's interesting about this one is that the kitchen's been updated,
Okay.
which is, you know, always a good thing.
At this price point, yeah.
Yeah, especially at that price point.
Yeah.
But what I think is really nice is that it overlooks the backyard.
Okay.
But importantly, there's public green space right next to the backyard.
Oh, wow.
So you get this like really lovely view,
Right.
you know, and I think that's a real premium,
Yeah.
especially for a townhouse, you know.
Yeah.
At that price, you're not necessarily going to get that.
Mm-hmm.
So you get to kind of enjoy the outdoor space
Yeah.
without having to do all the maintenance,
Exactly.
you know, of a detached property.
That's the best of both worlds.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so next up we have 207 Marlborough Place
Marlboro, okay.
in the Annex.
In the annex.
This is a 2-story attached row house.
2-story.
It has 2 plus 1 bedrooms,
Okay.
and it's listed at $1,349,000.
All right.
It's relatively new to the market. It's only been listed for 11 days.
11 days. Okay.
What stands out here?
Well, you know, a lot of these older homes in the annex can feel kind of narrow and, you know, a bit cramped. But this one actually has a surprisingly wide,
Okay.
open concept main floor.
Okay.
So the living and dining area, it's quite spacious,
Nice.
which, you know, really enhances the appeal, I think, makes
Yeah.
it feel much bigger
Yeah.
for maybe it looks from the outside.
Especially for entertaining and stuff.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, yeah.
That's great.
Big difference.
Okay, so our next property takes us back to Mount Pleasant East,
Okay, back to Mount Pleasant.
671 Millwood Road.
Millwood, okay.
This is a semi-detached 2-story home
Okay.
with 3 bedrooms
3 bedrooms.
listed for $1,399,000.
Okay.
And this one's very new to the market. It's only been listed for 2 days.
2 days. Wow.
So is there anything particularly modern about this one?
Yes, actually.
Right.
So it comes with parking,
Okay.
but the parking includes a Tesla charger.
Oh, wow. Already installed.
Already installed, yeah.
That's amazing.
So, you know, with EVs becoming more and more popular,
Yeah, for sure.
I think that's a really, you know, convenient and forward-thinking amenity.
Mm-hmm.
And it's going to appeal to
a certain buyer for sure.
a specific segment of buyer for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're moving over to the Rosedale Moore Park area
Okay.
to 198B Moore Avenue.
Moore Avenue, okay.
This is a detached 2-story home
2-story detached.
with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms.
Okay.
It's listed at $1,595,000.
All right.
And it's also fairly new to the market, only 3 days.
3 days, okay.
So what's interesting about this detached house,
So this house has 5 car parking,
wow.
which is, you know, unheard of.
Yeah, in Moore Park especially.
In Moore Park especially.
You don't see that very often.
No, you don't.
Like maybe 1 or 2.
Yeah.
But 5.
5 is...
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
So that's really rare.
It is.
And I mean, for families with multiple vehicles or people who like to have guests over,
Yeah, exactly.
that's huge,
Huge advantage.
especially in such a central location.
Absolutely. Yeah. And I mean,
It's exclusive.
it's a very exclusive area.
Yes.
And on top of that, it was fully renovated in 2023.
Oh, wow. So it's good to go.
So it's completely move-in ready.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sticking around in Rosedale Moore Park,
Okay.
we have 369 Mount Pleasant Road.
Mount Pleasant. All right.
This is a semi-detached two-story.
Okay.
It has 3 plus 1 bedrooms,
Okay.
and it's listed at $1,599,900.
All right.
And this one's been on the market for 17 days.
17 days. Okay.
What's the big thing here?
So this one has a private drive
Okay.
that leads to a triple car garage.
Wow. Okay.
So even though it's semi-detached,
Yeah.
having that much private parking
Yeah.
in a garage,
Yeah.
it's really rare in the city.
Especially triple car garage.
So it's actually a triple car garage.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it gives you a ton of convenience
Yeah.
storage options.
For sure.
It's almost like a suburban feature
Yeah.
in an urban setting.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So next we're going to Lawrence Park South,
Okay.
812 duplex
Okay,
address.
so-
This is a semi-detached two-story home with 3 bedrooms,
Okay.
listed at $1,789,000.
Okay.
It's been on the market for 10 days.
10 days. All right.
What stands out with this one?
So this one has a really cool feature.
Okay.
It's got a sunken family room
Oh, wow.
with a vaulted ceiling,
Okay.
skylights,
Yes.
and a walkout to the backyard.
Wow.
So all of that together, it creates this really bright, inviting space,
Yeah.
lots of natural light,
Mhm.
and then you can just walk right out into the backyard.
So it's good for entertaining and just like relaxing.
Absolutely, yeah. Perfect for both.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so our next stop is 106 Eastbourne Avenue
Eastbourne, okay.
in the Young Eglinton Chaplin Estates area.
Young and Eglinton, okay.
This is a detached two-story home.
Detached, okay.
It has 4 bedrooms,
4 bedrooms.
and it's priced at $1,886,200.
All right.
It's been on the market for 10 days as well.
10 days, okay.
What's the big highlight here?
So this one has a really generous lot size.
Okay.
It's 30 feet wide by 131 feet deep.
Wow, it's huge.
It is huge.
Yeah, especially in that area.
Especially in that location.
Like, you don't get that very often.
No, you don't. And it's west facing.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So you get, nice afternoon sun.
Yeah.
And so that offers a lot of potential,
Mm-hmm.
for landscaping additions.
Yeah, for sure. Or just enjoying the big yard.
Or just enjoying the space,
Yeah,
as it is.
exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we're moving to Lawrence Park, South Allenby area
Lawrence Park. Right.
to 90 Headington Avenue.
Headington or...
This is a detached two-story home.
Okay.
It has 3 plus 1 bedrooms,
3 plus 1.
and it's listed at $1,925,000.
Okay.
It's been on the market for 4 days.
4 days. All right.
What's the standout feature here?
So this one has a newly renovated kitchen
Okay.
with stainless steel appliances.
It's nice and modern.
Yeah, so it's got that, nice modern feel,
Mm.
but it's still in, this charming
Yeah, that Allenby neighborhood.
Allenby neighborhood. Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's kind of the best of both worlds.
Exactly.
Yeah.
A lot of people love a newly renovated kitchen.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Okay, so our final property on this whirlwind tour
Okay, last one.
is 51 Edgecombe Avenue.
Edgecombe. Okay.
This is in the Bedford Park, Nortown, Otter Creek area.
Bedford Park, all right.
It's a detached two-story home.
Detached, okay.
It was 3 bedrooms,
The 3-bedroom.
and it's listed at $1,979,000.
Okay.
It's been on the market for 18 days.
18 days, all right.
What's the key feature here?
So this one has a deep lot
Okay.
and a wide frontage.
Nice.
So, not only is the property itself spacious,
Yeah.
but it also has excellent potential
Mm-hmm.
for future expansion
Okay.
or even building a new home
Oh, wow.
on the lot
Okay.
because it's in that desirable Otter Creek pocket.
Yeah.
So it's really about,
The land.
the land value and the potential
Yeah, for sure.
for customization.
Yeah, that makes
Okay.
sense. Okay. We've gone through all 9 properties now.
Land properties. It
Um,
was a lot.
it was a lot, but it was quick.
It was efficient.
Efficient.
Yeah.
So that was our look at these curated open house listings.
Yeah. Thanks to Brad Cox
Thanks to Brad Cox, of course.
from the Heaps Estrin team.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So hopefully this gave everyone a good idea.
A good overview.
Overview, yeah, of what's out there right now.
Yeah. Some of the opportunities.
And, I mean, keep in mind, this is just a small selection.
Yeah.
Brad has a lot of other properties as well.
Exclusive listings.
Exclusive, off-market.
Off market.
And he's all about, that
bespoke experience.
bespoke experience.
Tailoring the experience.
So if any of these sparked your interest,
Or if you have other
Or if you have your own criteria,
specific criteria in mind,
reaching out to them is a good idea.
definitely a good next step.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know about you, but I think we covered a lot.
We covered a lot of ground
A lot of ground.
in a short amount of time.
Yeah. And I think it really, shows the diversity in the market
Yeah, absolutely.
and how like a curated selection can really highlight certain features and neighborhoods.
Exactly.
So maybe this weekend,
Go check out an open house.
check out an open house or two.
Yeah.
Or, maybe you're just inspired and you want to start
Just start exploring.
exploring and thinking about what's out there.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we hope this deep dive has been valuable.
A valuable use of your time.
A valuable use of your time.
Yeah.
And, yeah, who knows what else is out there?
That's the exciting part.
That is the exciting part.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for listening, everybody.
And we'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.